You did the noble thing. You stayed loyal to a person you weren't even dating. You waited for them to find themselves, to finish school, to get over their ex, or to finally realize that you were the main character all along. You were the ultimate backup dancer, waiting for your solo that never came. And then the notification hits. They've chosen someone else. And not after finding themselves. They found someone else in like 3 weeks. Why does this hurt so much? Because you've fallen victim to the sunk cost fallacy. You didn't just lose a person, you lost the investment of your time. Your brain is screaming because it feels like you just stood in line for a roller coaster for 4 hours, only for the park to close right when it was your turn. You aren't mourning a relationship, you're mourning a contract that only you signed. This matters because waiting has become a toxic personality trait. We call it patience, but in psychology, it's often anxious attachment disguised as hope. The uncomfortable truth: people don't choose based on who waited the longest. They choose based on self-value. By waiting around, you unintentionally sent a psychological signal that your time isn't valuable. You were a safety school. When they chose someone else, they weren't saying that person is better than you. They were saying they prefer the excitement of a new, full-price connection over the comfort of a discounted one they already owned. The psychological fix: stop being a placeholder. The moment you stop waiting for them is the moment you start being available for someone who doesn't make you stand in line. If they didn't choose you when you were right there, they weren't worth the wait. Close the waiting room. The park is officially out of tickets.